Hey guys, in this video, I'll connect this Pioneer stereo to a phone with Android Auto. First, I went to the Play Store, searched for the Android Auto app, and tapped the update button to make sure that I have the latest one. Next, we'll go to Settings, Apps, and Android Auto. Here, I'll turn notifications on. This setting is important for troubleshooting, so if the connection has a problem, then the error message will pop up as a notification. We also need to grant permissions to read incoming messages and alerts, so to do that, I'll go back, open the menu on the top right, go to Special Access, and Notification Access. Without this permission, the stereo can't process incoming text messages and calls, so this setting is mandatory. Let's turn it on and press Allow to confirm the permissions. Now let's go back to the settings screen. Scroll back up to Connected Devices and select Android Auto. All of the Android Auto settings are here, and I'm going to change Start Android Auto automatically, and I'll set it to Always. This ensures that the connection is always made as soon as the phone is plugged in, otherwise it may have to be made manually depending on other settings. Now we'll connect the phone, and a high-quality USB-C data cable is required. So let's plug it in. And on the very first connection, we have to give it the permissions required. Now the stereo is connected to the phone with a USB cable, and it also made a wireless Bluetooth connection, which is running in the background. On the next connection, it will automatically pair, so there won't be any setup required. I only had one issue when connecting for the very first time. The Maps application didn't load, and to fix that, I just disconnected the cable, started the Maps application on the phone, and then I connected again. Once the maps showed up, the glitch went away, and then they loaded every time I connected. If you found this video useful, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Your support is really appreciated. Thanks for watching.